today marks the first video I'm actually doing alone since Alexis has been gone. And do you know, I thought it was something that I could do that would be fun to watch. Oh, I hope it's fun to watch. That like I can do myself. But I thought, well, not even I thought, I was watching our last morning routine that we did. Well, it was like a half morning routine, half night routine. And I thought, why don't I bring that back and do another one? I just woke up. I woke up about, I want to say like 10 or so minutes ago. I was just on TikTok for a little bit just to like fully somewhat try to wake up before I start this video, because otherwise my words were not going to come out very coherent. I'm just going to take you guys on what I pretty much do most mornings, if not every morning, bar like weekdays where I'm working, because obviously that's more rush and like getting ready to go type thing, whereas today it's a Saturday. Is it Saturday? No, it's Sunday. Today it's Sunday. Yeah, let's just get on with our morning. So I just realised that obviously this is, well, it's my second morning routine completely on YouTube. But it's actually obviously the first one that I've done since my room has been changed up. So obviously the first one that we did, it was what my old room looked like. Well, not my old room, what my room looked like previously. But obviously now it's changed, a bit more cute, I guess. I need to go to the shower. I need to wash its hair because it's not looking cute anymore. I've pushed it for too long, so this hair needs to be washed. So let's pick out something. I'm probably going to put on pajamas, like a new set of pajamas for the time being, and then we'll see where the day takes us.
Looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out with any outfit, that you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause what's the point of crying? It was never enough. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough?
So, considering I woke up fairly early today, it was about 8:30 when I went to sleep at like 11. Don't understand how that worked. Considering it's still quite early, probably gonna try tidy up my room because it's not like a mess, but it's not clean either. Like the table's alright, but like I've got a load of things right back there, that corner, and then there needs to be tidied too. So it's more like putting things away rather than tidying up per se. So I'm probably gonna do that first and then hop into the shower now that I've got like what I'm gonna change into. I've taken that out, and I'm probably gonna put the TV on whilst I do this so that I have no noise in the background, because I can't work in silence. As in this kind of work, I can't do it in silence.
He doesn't see her. You're not looking at me, boy. But boy's a liar. But boy's a liar. He doesn't see her. You're not looking at me, boy.
He say that I'm good enough, but I'm not better. Think about shit that I shouldn't know. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. And it been what it been. Calling his phone like you'll send me a pin. Ducking my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Boy's a liar, but boy's a liar. He doesn't see her. You're not looking at me, boy. But boy's a liar, but boy's a liar. He doesn't see her. You're not looking at me, boy. Good enough, 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 good enough.
So guys, oh, let me turn you around because you can't see me. I'll put you here. Oh no, I can't. Can I even see myself? Okay, so as you can see, I'm finally out of my shower. I've washed my hair because, like I said, it was in serious need of washing. Opened the blinds. I'd already tidied my room. Now I just need to brush through my hair. I put you guys in the worst spot possible because now you're just going to see me squint, like squint constantly. But we're just going to make do with it. However, if you Oh god. If you're wondering where my pyjama is from, because so to myself, I think it's quite cute. It is from Primark, but I don't know if they still have it anymore, because I got this last summer, like before I went abroad to Portugal, because I needed a new pyjama. So I don't actually know if it's still, like if they'll bring it back out kind of thing. If you're wondering where it's from Primark, if you want to try take a trip down again and figure it out. And then my slippers are from Asda in the clothing section. Again, got this a while back, so I don't know if they'll still have it. Now, just going to brush through my hair. Now, I do usually let my hair air dry, but like I'll blow dry it if I'm in a rush. And my sister's messaged me to ask when am I coming over, because I forgot that I said I was gonna come over today. So turns out I put on this pajama to literally take it right back off very soon, but I put it on because for the time being I didn't actually know what to wear, so I figured I might as well be in my pajama than, you know, in my birthday suit. So I may have to actually blow dry my hair, because as much as my hair dries fast, there's no way it's drying that fast by the time I need to go. So I'll probably leave it to air dry whilst I pick an outfit and whilst I get dressed, and then hopefully it will be more like to the damp side than like properly wet, and then we'll just blow dry it from there. But I'll get dressed, I'll show you guys what I'm wearing, and then I'll probably wrap up the video there, because I'll be honest, I don't usually have like breakfast early in the morning. Like I'm just not someone that can eat a big old breakfast straight away when I wake up type thing. Like it takes a while until I do eventually have a breakfast. If anything, I'll probably just have something like at my sister's house, or like order something to my sister's house if I really fancy it. So there's not really a point in showing it, because by that point it will probably be lunchtime, and then that kind of defeats the whole purpose of a morning routine, because it will not be the morning.
Squidward, we don't need television. Not as long as we have our imagination.
But it's currently like probably like almost 11 now, so, or if not 11 o'clock already. So yeah, I'm going to pick an outfit, blow dry my hair, and then I'll show you guys the final day look. So guys, I am all fully dressed as you can see. I'll just quickly give a lowdown of my OOTD. So this top is from Zara, so they're like basics t-shirt. My jeans are from Bershka, they're like these mum jeans. I just roll them up because I feel like it's a good length, but it's awkward when I wear like certain shoes. But then I've just got my Nike grey dunks, and then my little new prized possession that I got myself on my birthday. I went a little bit like crazy. I got one thing from there. This bag is the one in the back, and then in the box it's actually another Jacquemus bag. That's gonna be too crazy now to get out. Yeah, I got it all for my birthday. This was what I got from Louis Vuitton. Got this little cute necklace if it wants to focus. There we go. That's the necklace I got. Yeah, that's what I got myself for my birthday, because I was like, I don't usually do this to myself. Like I don't spend this much on myself, so I thought now's the time. But anyways, that was that. I think I'm gonna end the video here. Let me face you guys 1 second. Oh, okay, y'all can see me now. But yeah, I'll end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed my somewhat morning routine. I guess it wasn't even really a morning routine. It was just basically spend the morning with me, I guess, more so than a morning routine. But hopefully it all went all right. I'm gonna pray that Alexa's little like magic editing skills makes this look, you know, somewhat good. That you guys enjoyed. Be sure there'll be more videos come. I don't know if once this goes up, Alexis's first American vlog would already be up or not. So hope you enjoyed that, or hope you will enjoy that, depending what goes out first. But we love you. We hope you enjoyed watching. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the little make sure to turn on the notification bell so that you do know when we next upload. As always, our social media will be here on the screen or linked down in the description box for your entertainment. Everything, friends, but I will see you in our next video that I do. Bye.